Okay, it's Friday afternoon here, and these guys are busy. They have been at this all day. We got more snow coming here. You can hear probably some banging coming up in from behind. That is our day laborer here. He's clearing the snow off the roof because we got so much snow here. We got to start clearing it because we're getting water spots here in the shop, and we got to get this done. So if you notice, wheel is on. And they would have done all the bearings, races, and seals inside of that tire already. And if we walk around to the other side here, they got that wheel on as well, and the nose cap on that one's already done. So they're already spinning everything around here. So if we look towards the back end here, we got the solid rear tires on with the nose cap. And those are the ideal tires for the rear position. And dogs are all having milk bone moments here, and they don't know why there's so much banging, but our Schooner shop dog, he doesn't know what's going on. Charlie just wants to make sure everybody's got their treats. Maybe I'll stop and let these peckerheads out. Okay, just let everybody out except for Nina. But they got both rear wheels on the back here, and if you notice, there's nothing here. What's missing? Well, between the two of these guys, they got the diff back into place. So the brake is already on there, which is a good thing. So Dad did some work on the diff to get it back in place, but they already got that back lifted in.
This is all cleaned out.
And it's all cleaned out again. And as you notice, there's even a little bit more work here been done. So I would say their progress has been really good here today. So Peter's just doing some final adjustments on the ski arms to make sure they're tight enough. And I know they were putting in their cotter pins and their castle nuts as well too. And yeah, it's just remarkable what's happened here. They've got quite a bit of work done here today. And hardly any swearing. So these guys are playing nice again. Bogies are on, yes. One there, and I think were they done both sides yesterday or not? One there, so they still got to do the other bogies as well. But where are they? They're around here somewhere. And so 2 of the 4 done there. Oh, there they are, right there. So I think this machine rolled in almost 1 day short of a month ago. And they've actually got quite a bit of work done here. The guy that you can hear pounding up here, we might end up getting him to do the sanding because otherwise we just get gassed out in the shop. We changed out the filter in the furnace, so it's getting out all of that extra dust in the air, which is extremely helpful. But we'll check back in with Dad and Peter for the final check-in process here.
Today was good. And I want to see more days like this.
Okay. Peter's been looking a little traumatized the last couple of days here, but it's a good day. You guys got lots done. So 4 wheels in, the diff, the 2 sets of bogies. Just still got 2 more to go. What's the next step?
The steering is all lined up. It's finished.
Okay.
Now the next step
Is it a lot easier having it opened up like this versus trying to duck your head in there?
well, you have to make a door, open it up, or you can't access anything.
Yeah. So what's the next step? What's tomorrow's job?
Well, we need tracks.
Do we have tracks or no?
Well, you gotta check that out.
Okay. But like, is you gonna put the next pair of bogies in or what?
No. This gets hooked up like this now.
Yeah.
With ratchet strap.
Right. Yeah.
So they're right on the road, and we put the track over top of the back wheel,
Yeah.
and we take nine cleats off. And we put the track on.
Yeah.
Then we put the sprocket on, and then we can put the cleats on.
Okay. So
It works very good.
9 cleats. You're gonna remove 9 cleats. Is that 9 cleats in a row, or do you space them out? Yeah. Is that 9 cleats in a row or 9 spaced out?
Cleats in a row.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
I think you better dig out the belts and see what we got there.
okay.
And we'll do an accurate measurement here.
Okay.
Hey, before we do anything.
Yeah. So that is the final wrap up here for today, guys. You can hear a lot of banging around. That's our hired man on the roof chipping away snow and ice. Cat and the dog are excited. All the other dogs are outside.
Our roof is damn near flat.
Yeah.
What happens is it gets a pile of snow on it and it freezes along the edge.
Yeah.
And then we get a shovel.
Okay, so that's it for today, guys. We'll check in with Dad and Peter tomorrow. So Dad is just going to compare the two different seals that he has here. So this is...
That's a standard seal that they have been putting in the Bombardiers.
Yeah,
And see the little wee holes there?
yeah,
They're too small.
yeah,
We drill them out to 1/8.
yeah.
But look at the
difference, yeah.
material in this.
So this is an SKF seal.
Yeah,
And we can show you the box. It's green right here, but SKF is the brand.
much heavier, and there's rubber
And,
all the way around to seal. Eh?
Yeah. So Dad wanted to show you guys that.
But Peter bought another one, another brand.
Okay.
It's some kind of a Chinese brand.
Okay. SKF is what you guys want to go with here. Okay, you can lie in there with... There. Now you're in there with Nina.
Now you're in there with
Nina loves you.
thinks it's great.
Yeah. And well, Kitty's checking out the big dog here.
Look how happy Butts is.
Yeah. Tucked in with my Charlie.
Eyes are closed, everything's good.
Yeah.
Maybe I should leave her.
No, don't leave her.